Hi, today in front of me Tecno Spark Go, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first we should open the Play Store application, and in the search bar we should enter the Ampere. And now we should get this application, so tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. So then just tap to open the app, click to yes, agree, be close, and tap to OK. And now we could see information about my battery temperature. In my case, that's 31 and 2 degrees. So also we got here more information. We could check like the battery level, capacity, voltage, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.